Uh, uh, Here we go. The Brotherhood of Light is here to start it off right. We keep our crew tight, keep our vision in sight. Our crew's full of good fellas, you can ask them. Conscious, authentic, strong heart-centered men. Since it began, we knew we had to share this. We're all one with this divine loving awareness, and at the same time it's a duality reality. So we celebrate your individuality. You know you got a gift, so you gotta give it up, yo. You know you're a man, so man up and let's go. Take responsibility for your ability. Embody your divinity and spiritual agility. Cultivate your ideal of sacred masculinity. Spiritual practice will elevate your energy. Level it up now. Connect in community. Giving, receiving, support, accountability. I'm another you, and you're another me. Forged in the fires of the elemental alchemy. Aw, yeah. Back when it began, there's a brother named Braden, a family man with a plan that was made when he got real high one night on an edible. A being of light came by, it was incredible. Shook my man's hand, said, welcome to the Brotherhood. Now you're a fisher of men, so what you gonna do? How's you gonna do it? Gonna need some others. Wait a few years and you'll meet two funky brothers. Let me get back to this funky flow about the mellow fellow named Mr. Jones. Say hi to the guy with the smiling eyes singing, I wanna fly high, so high, like an eagle in the sky. Wanna take it higher? He's serving up the ire, releasing all attachments, craving, desire. Then settle into a flow with the breath wave, floating into my heart's path and get your soul saved. It's Mr. Dantastic, he's the fantastic, boom-bastic, classic heart medicine man. Heart blasted open, true words are spoken. He gets the anahata chakra spinning again. Feel your heart pounded, this guy's so grounded. Don't be astounded, love's winning again. OG's Zen master, with a love blaster, shooting the green ray. Danny boy has ya, singing as he's bringing in his six string, hugging as he's tugging on his heartstring. It's the OG from around the way. He's got the sweatation and the MDMA. Moving at the speed of love into stillness. Freeze! Dantastic is the chillest. Oh my good God, golly gee, good gosh. Let's all pause and take a breath with Josh. I came here to mention, we're here for ascension. But let me explain for your full comprehension. It's all one thing, the way out is in. You gotta lose your mind before you can begin to wake up, it's time to shake up. You gotta break out the matrix, so break out the illusion and the confusion. If you're choosing the path of delusion, you're losing your energy. It tends to be the ego that's an enemy, pretends to be a frenemy, but it's enemy. Running around and feeling stuck on my head, wearing a frown and a feeling half dead. Gotta elevate the energy and grow you like cannabis. Let me give you a hand, you can't handle this. Do it with Hewitt, I did it, you knew it. I'll take you to the limit and push through it. Call all brothers to the light. Call all men to unite. Call all brothers to the light. Call all men to unite. We got issues in our tissues, feel it to heal it. Shining the light of love to reveal it. We got issues in our tissues, feel it to heal it. Shining the light of love to reveal it.
Whoa! Oh my God, brother, this is amazing. Wow. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is beautiful. Beautiful. Thank you.